Hey there, Feministas. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you along on a little outing to one of my new favorite stores, Free People. Well, if you're a fan of boho chic and effortless styles, this is the place for you. So come with me as we explore the eclectic and vibrant world of Free People. Well, as I stepped inside, I was immediately hit with that signature Free People ambiance, the warm colors, the soft lighting, and creative displays that seemed to whisper stories of wanderlust and adventure. The first area I gravitated towards was the summer collection, and wow, did they have some incredible pieces that truly caught my eye. But the standout item that drew me in right away was a pair of barrel style shorts that perfectly embodied the laid back yet stylish aesthetic that Free People is known for. I just had to try those on. They look like they could be a versatile addition to any summer wardrobe, giving off a carefree vibe while still keeping things polished. And then there was also a bubble style top that I thought I might pair wonderfully with those shorts. It had this fun, flirty shape that seemed perfect for those warm summer evenings. But as you can see in my try-on session at the end, it didn't quite make the cut. While I was wandering through the store, I spotted some other beautiful summer pieces that had me daydreaming about summer days. For instance, those denim overalls were a total must-see. They had a vintage feel with modern detailing, perfect for a casual day out or even dressed up with some cute accessories. Then there was this lovely slip skirt paired with a simple tank top that caught my eye. It was such a classic combination, effortlessly chic and ideal for layering. And oh my goodness, I love the black top with the tannish brown pants, perfect for a day out adventure or a dinner time vibe. Then there was the stunning blue tank dress. It had this dreamy, flowing silhouette that screamed summertime sophistication. And we cannot forget the accessories. Free People always nails it with their selection of straw bags, canvas bags, and Western hats. The straw bags had this perfect touch of rustic charm and practicality, ideal for beach days or picnics in the park. And those Western hats, just absolute statement pieces. They add such a stylish flair to any outfit. Overall, my visit to Free People was an experience filled with inspiration. I love the unique pieces they offer, and stepping into the store feels like stepping into a world of creativity and fashion freedom. However, after some careful consideration, I decided to pass on the barrel shorts. They were cute, but not quite enough to make me reach for my wallet. And as for the bubble style top, let's just say it wasn't for me. Not now, not ever. All right, so as we are heading over to the fitting room for my try-on session, I'll show you how those shorts and that top turned out and share my final thoughts. So thanks for tagging along with me on this Free People adventure. Whether you're a fan of bohemian style or just looking for some summer inspiration, I hope you found a little something to brighten your wardrobe. And until our next outing, keep exploring. And remember, don't be invisible, be fabulous. Thanks for watching.